This video illustrates a cleanroom gowning procedure following EU GMP Annex 1 principles for an AB grade cleanroom. This procedure is an example and offers guidance. The operator will wear a DuPont Tyvek IsoClean IC 193 coverall. The operator begins by wearing cleanroom undergarments, a head cover and cleanroom clogs. The step-over bench in the gowning room has been cleaned and disinfected. Always wash and disinfect hands before entering the gowning area of a pharmaceutical manufacturing environment. Disinfect hands before starting the gowning procedure. Carefully select the correct size for the sterile coverall, cleanroom mask and gloves. Then check the sterility expiry dates in order not to compromise the aseptic gowning process. Disinfect hands. Be sure to use a sufficient volume of disinfectant in order to achieve the required contact time. You may proceed after the disinfectant has evaporated. Carefully don the first pair of gloves. Disinfect gloves. Open the secondary bag of the coverall and carefully place it on the step-over bench. Aseptically don the cleanroom mask. Disinfect gloves again. Follow the demonstrated technique to aseptically don the clean and sterile Tyvek IsoClean coverall. Remove the aseptically folded coverall out of the bag by holding the neck label. Gently unfold the coverall and ensure it does not touch the floor. Do not touch the outside of the coverall. Hold the coverall at the end of the open zipper and collect both sleeves and legs of the coverall by grabbing the elastics. Hold the right sleeve and leg in the right hand, and the left sleeve and left leg in the left hand. Don the coverall by starting with the first leg. Release the leg of the coverall while keeping the sleeve in your hand. Make sure not to touch the floor. If necessary, adjust the fit by gently pulling on the inside of the legs. Follow the same procedure with the other leg. Use thumbs inside the coverall to pull up the coverall and slip both arms into the sleeves of the coverall. Put on the thumb loops. Disinfect gloves before closing the zipper. The zipper closes easily when you cross your legs and gently stretch your torso. Close the press stud button. Disinfect gloves. Then take the ties of the integrated hood and tie them behind your head. Aseptically don the cleanroom goggles. Disinfect gloves again. Don the second pair of sterile gloves. Finally, disinfect gloves. Check if you are gowned correctly. If so, step over to the clean side of the bench. You may now enter the clean room.